Alright, so now coming to discount. डिस्काउंट मतलब क्या है? तुम लोग के अभी दिमाग में चलेगा, सर सर जो डिस्काउंट देते हैं ना, 20% ऑफ, 50% ऑफ, Amazon ग्रेट फेस्टिवल, 80% ऑफ. नहीं, एक्चुअली वही है, बट स्टिल वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट लिटिल बिट डिफरेंटली. ओके, this discount is depend upon selling price. कैसे? Suppose this is a t-shirt. You just want to buy it, and the tag is giving you say 500 rupees. बाप रे बाप कितना. चलो थोड़ा टैटू बना लेते हैं. Sunny face t-shirt. So you want to buy this one, and the cost of this, that is the tagged price, or you can say the selling price, is 500 rupees. But also in that shop, it is written that 50% flat sale. चलो चलो अभी तो पूरा शॉपिंग कर लोगे यहाँ पर. तो 50% sale, that means 50% off, right? So whenever you are just going to buy that, they will reduce 50% of 500. What is that? 50% of 500. And how we will say that? So it is 50 by 100 into 500. That is nothing but 250. So 500 minus 250, and the answer will come as 250. So देखो, whenever you will buy this one, as the price is 500 and also 50% is the applicable discount on that, so all you have to pay just 250 after reducing. In the last chapter I told you about the profit and loss, where all the percentage is depends upon the CP, that is cost price. Only this discount is depend upon the selling price. Remember that discount will always depend upon selling price. It will change regarding to the selling price. So I hope you get that idea now. Now we are moving to the exercise first. So this is the discount exercise. Let me pick the number 3 over here. What is given? That is the marked price of a coat. Just I told you about this t-shirt. This is also the same thing. Before that, exercise 15B. And this is number 3. Marked price of the coat. That is obviously the selling price, as the price tag is there. Whatever price you see over there, that is nothing but the selling price. So 3700, that is your selling price or marked price, whatever you will say. Acha. It is sold for 3,250 rupees. Okay. So whenever you just brought that, it is giving you 3,256 rupees. That means it is less than selling price. See that? It is less than selling price. That means how much money you are saving by that? 3700 minus 3256. So whenever you will do this subtraction, you will get, that is, it is nothing but 444 rupees you are saving by that. Very easy one. Okay. So we got that we are saving 444 rupees by buying that coat. So what is the discount on that? I told you discount always available or depend upon the selling price. The main selling price. It is depending upon the selling price. Okay. So you are getting 444 discount on 3700 rupees. So just use the unitary method. In 3700 rupees, you are getting discount of 444 rupees. Then in 1 rupees, you will get the discount of 444 divided by 3700. Then in 100 rupees, what should be your discount? And that is what I'm converting this into percentage. So it is 00 and another 100 is there. Now you can see that it is very easy to do. Just 444 is divided by 37. So and cause this 0 and 0 gonna cancel each other. So when you will do, you will get 12. So the discount percentage is 12%. Very easy one. Try it by yourself. Pause the video. You can try it by yourself. Then check it either the answer is coming same or not. All right. So this is number 3. Now moving to the next one. That is number 7. Okay. So in number 7, as you can see, Johar, a carpenter, sell his goods. Okay, no issue with that. Now, his goods at discount 14%. See, this is 14% of discount. He sells a chair to Suresh with listed price 550. Okay, how much does Suresh pay to Johar for this chair? Okay, very easy one. Just think it very simply. What will happen over here? Cause, first of all, number 7, right? Okay, so whatever you will sell, that should be discounted as 14%. Now, the selling price, I told you always discount is always depend upon the selling price. So the selling price is given 550. Now, what is the 14% of selling price? That is 14% of 550 rupees. Let me figure it out first. So 14 divided by 100 into 550. First of all, cancel this 0 and you can do it very easily, and that will be 77. Okay, so we got 77 over here, and that is the 14% of this 550 rupees. All right, no issue with that. Now, how much does Suresh pay to Johar for this chair? Now, he is buying at 550, but after giving 14% discount, that means after lessing the price 77 rupees. So, all you have to do, you have to subtract 77 from 550. So, the Suresh paid, that is 550 minus 77, and very easy one, that is 473 rupees. So Suresh paid 473 rupees for that chair by having the discount of 14% on 550 rupees. Always remember that discount depends upon selling price. Whatever discount you will have, that will always a percentage of selling price. If you remember that, all the answer gonna be very easy for you. Moving to another last one, that is number 10. In number 10, a dealer buy a TV set for 8,000 rupees. Very nice. He mark it as 10,000 rupees. Okay, you are buying 8,000 rupees, but you are marking it as 10,000 rupees and then give a 10% discount. See that the trick behind it. That is all the shops and all the malls actually use to give. That is, they actually increase the price of the product, then give the discount on that. Otherwise, it is not possible to give the discount on cost price, right? So TV set, the main price, that is the cost price, is 8,000, you can say. But after increasing, what are you getting? That it is giving you 10,000 for each of this set. All right. So he gave 10% of discount. Now, what is the 10% of discount applied on? That is applied on SP, right? So this 10% will be for SP. Now, what is SP? That is 10,000 rupees. So what is 10% of SP? Let me find out for you. That is nothing but 1,000 rupees. But you have to show it. So it is 1,000 rupees. So if you buy something, if you buy a TV from there, he will give you 1,000 rupees off. That means after removing that 1,000 rupees from 10,000, you know that it will be 9,000. So let me show you. And what is that? Cost of TV for buying. That is the cost of TV for buying, and that is 9,000 only. So see, you have the cost price that is 8,000 and you are actually selling that in 9,000. So you are getting 1,000 rupees profit. So what we have to find over here, let me check first. So you have to find the selling price of the TV. We got that. That is 9,000. Acha. Profit percentage made by the dealer. So profit percentage, and we know that this profit is always dependent upon the cost price. That is why I put that cost price very initially. Okay, so what is the cost price? That is 8,000. Now, what is the extra money you are getting? You are getting 9,000 minus 8,000, which is 1,000 rupees extra you are getting. So what is the profit? Profit is 1,000 rupees. You can also do it by SP minus CP like that. So the same answer will come. That is 1,000 rupees of profit, but we have to convert it into percentage. So you are making the profit in 8,000 rupees. So in 8,000 rupees, you are having profit of, then in 1 rupee, you will have the percent of 1,000 by 8,000. So 1 by 8. Now in 100 rupees, you will have the percent of 1 by 8 into 100. So what should be the percentage? That is, that should be, let me finish it up first, 1.125, that is 1 by 8 obviously, and that should be multiplied with 100. So if we multiply that with 100, what we will get? That is 12.5, very nicely. See, if you do it with decimal, it will be very helpful for you to bring out the answer.